welcome to my channel. Hi there, beauties. If your hair is feeling dry, damaged, or stressed from color and heat, you're going to love what I'm sharing today. Meet Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo, a gentle yet powerful formula that repairs, strengthens, and revitalizes your hair from root to tip. Let's get started. Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo. Experience the ultimate care for damaged and stressed hair with Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo. This gentle, salon-quality shampoo is clinically proven to strengthen hair and reduce breakage caused by everyday stressors, heat styling, and chemical treatments. Perfect for all hair types. It's specially formulated for anyone looking to restore health, strength, and shine to tired, fragile hair. The innovative formula works at the core of each strand, targeting the root causes of damage while cleansing your hair thoroughly. Whether your hair has been colored, chemically treated, or exposed to heat tools, this shampoo nourishes from root to tip, leaving hair feeling strong, resilient, and silky smooth. With regular use, you'll notice visibly healthier strands that are less prone to breakage and split ends. Benefits: Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo, delivers a range of benefits for your hair. Strengthens and repairs. The clinically proven formula fortifies hair, reducing breakage caused by everyday styling, heat, and chemical treatments. Gentle yet effective cleansing. The luxurious lather deeply cleanses without stripping your hair of essential moisture, making it suitable for even the most delicate hair types. Revitalizes hair health. Infused with powerful ingredients, the shampoo helps restore elasticity, softness, and shine for a revitalized look. Reduces breakage. Regular use decreases the likelihood of split ends and weak strands, helping you maintain stronger, healthier hair over time. Prepares hair for treatments. Works seamlessly with the Cool Strength Repair Conditioner and Cool Multitask Strength Treatment to maximize hair repair and protection results. Suggested use. To enjoy the full benefits of this transformative shampoo, start with wet hair. Massage a generous amount of Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo through your scalp and hair, working it into a rich, indulgent lather. Rinse thoroughly. For optimal results, follow with the Cool Strength Repair Conditioner to hydrate and further strengthen hair, and incorporate the Cool Multitask Strength Treatment for deep repair and lasting resilience. Why choose Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo? This shampoo is more than just a cleansing product. It's a complete hair care solution designed to strengthen, repair, and revitalize your hair. Its gentle yet effective formula ensures that even fragile, stressed strands are treated with care. The luxurious lather makes washing your hair a sensory experience while delivering clinically proven results. Whether your hair has been damaged from bleaching, coloring, or heat styling, Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo helps restore natural beauty and strength. Bring your hair back to life with Amika, the Cool Strength Repair Shampoo, the essential first step in a hair care routine that prioritizes strength, resilience, and overall hair health. Perfect for women and men alike, it's the ultimate solution for hair that looks, feels, and performs its best every day. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.